Hey everybody, this is Rebecca with RebeccasRoadmap.com, and I just want to kind of make a little fun thing for my journal. This is a subscription card that I pulled out of a magazine, and I'm going to make a little kind of flippy thing to add to my journal, where you can just kind of like glue it in here and flip it. So actually my journal's a little bit short, so I need to kind of cut this off a bit. Now, I've been journaling already this morning, so I got stuff everywhere. Alright, let's see. We want to cut that off about there. And I didn't cut that straight, so let's kind of just straighten that up a little bit. Alright, let me set my journal back over there. Alright, so I'm going to simply put some white paint on this. And it would be good if I clean my paint scraper off. Okay, got my paint scraper, and I'll link that down below. Those are just real inexpensive, like dish scrapers. And I'm just going to layer on some white paint and just kind of cover this stuff up. You could also layer on some paper, just kind of whatever you want. And I do this paint scrape method because it dries really fast. I'll put a layer on here. Dry for a minute, and we'll put another layer on. And this is my Ranger craft mat. I don't know if you guys have one of those, but my mom was kind enough to get that for me, and it is very handy dandy, because you can just wipe stuff off like that. Clean up is much easier. So we're gonna let this dry for a second and put some more paint on it. Okay, we got layer 1 is dry here. Since this paint is just kind of inexpensive and we're putting a thin layer on, it does not take that long to dry, which is why I do the whole scraping method. And we're kind of building up a layer here, and you can put as much or as little as you want. If you don't mind those things peeking through, then it doesn't matter to you. Mom is thinking I want to add some color to that, like maybe some hot pink. How's hot pink sound to you guys? Let's add just a dash of that, maybe a couple of dashes of that. Just add a little bit of color, because I like color. Does anybody not like color? I guess there's some neutral people in the world. I don't think I'm one of them. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm going to let that dry, and then we'll come back and finish decorating it. Okay, my little, what do you call it? Subscription card is dried. Actually, it goes like this, so we can glue it in with this little tab. So I've got I've got the stamp I've been wanting to use, and I've got this stamp I've been wanting to use. So I was thinking I might do something like that, kind of color it in and see what we've got. Let me do something fun. I'm just going to go with it and see what happens. And there's my black ink. Ooh, that's pretty. Alright, let's see. Well, I guess it'll be okay. Let's just try it. just simply find my black marker, fill that in right there. Okay. Whoop, I smudged my, didn't mean to smudge my camera. All right, let's give that a second to dry. Okay, let's see. Got my brush pens that I'm gonna try out. I want to smear my black line, so I was kind of staying away from that. We have orange and blue. I guess orange and blue and green. So these little cards are just a fun way to use something that would be trash. I'm trying to think what color goes there. What color would you put there? It's got to be the green color. Just a drawing blank there. And the blue color. Let's kind of color our little camera in. Not sure I smudged it, but I smudged it. Evidently I'm smudging it some more. Alright, what else does this need? We could collage, we could put some washi on, which I'm actually meant to put some washi on. Probably should put some washi on before I put this staple on. We're gonna go with it anyway. Cut that off. So I'm going to do something different with the other side of that. Let's throw this little bit of washi up here, because why not? Let's see. This needs something going on here. Maybe some pink dots. Okay, so there's just a little fun project. You can go in once that dries and add some more detail, add some highlights with some white, something like that if I want to. But that was just a little fun throw together. Just a little fun, something I felt like creating, so I thought I would share. So if you like this kind of thing, give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to keep getting videos from me like this, hit that subscribe button and YouTube will tell you when I put a new video up. As always, I really appreciate your time and thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.